Tired of throwing all your food scraps in the trash? Wish there was something you could do with all your yard trimmings? Want to do more to help Austin reach its zero waste goal? Well, now you can! Austin Resource Recovery is expanding their curbside composting program citywide. They're adding new homes every year and plan to provide this service to all customers by 2020.
So, how do we use this green cart?
Start with your kitchen collector.
What all can I put in here?
What do you have?
Dairy products?
Yes,
Coffee grounds and tea bags?
absolutely.
Pet hair?
Of course.
Pasta?
Yes,
Bread?
yes,
And tortillas?
and yes.
Fruits and vegetables?
You know it.
Popsicle sticks?
Those two.
Cooked and raw meat or bones?
Affirmative.
Paper products with food on them?
Indeed.
Spoiled food?
Of course. Simply place all your food scraps and food-soiled paper in it. Even pizza boxes.
Pizza boxes?
That's awesome!
Put them directly in your green cart.
What about all these yard trimmings?
Little small blades of green grass?
How about flowers, leaves, plants, and straw?
All of that.
Small branches and tree limbs?
What about tree roots?
If it grows, it goes in the green composting cart.
Then what do we do?
After you've placed all your food scraps and yard trimmings in your new green curbside composting cart, roll it out to the curb by 6:30 a.m. every week on your trash collection day. It's that easy.
Thanks, Curbside Composting.
Woo!
Visit austintexas.gov/austincomposts to find out if your home is in the expansion area. Learn more about curbside composting and what goes in your green cart. Austin Resource Recovery is a department of the City of Austin.